Okay, students, once again coming back to the practice set 4.1. Yesterday we discussed the example number 1 and also you have solved example number 3. Now today we'll see the example number 2. So here just I'll read the example. Triangle PQR is similar to triangle LTR. So here there is one vertex common, that is vertex R is common between both the triangles. So when one vertex is common between both the triangles, we have to draw both the triangle in one diagram only. How that we are going to see. So here the measures of triangle PQR is given, that is side PQ is given, QR is given and PR is given. So first we'll draw triangle PQR. So here the biggest side is QR. So let me draw first QR of 5.4. So this is exactly 5.4. So let me name this as an QR. Now next is PQ. So PQ is 4.2. So with the help of rounder again I will take a distance of 4.2. So PQ. So I know point Q. So I will draw one arc from Q. Now the next one is PR. So PR is 4.8. So let us take a distance of 4.8. This is exactly 4.8. Keep it on R because PR is there. So I know the point R. So we will intersect it properly and we will join now. So this is your triangle PQR. Now just see, as I told you that R is the common vertex. So from R we will draw one ray. Now while drawing the ray you have to take proper care that the angle made by this ray should not be with the segment QR or side QR, should not be more closer or it should not be more away from the QR. Okay, now after drawing, then see this ratio, it's 3/4. Now here which is the biggest number? 4 is the biggest number. So by taking proper distance with the help of rounder, we are going to draw 4 arcs. 1, 2, 3 and this is 4. Let me name this as an R1, R2, R3 and R4. Now we have to join point Q and any one point on this ray, that is maybe R1, R2 or R3 or R4. So which point we have to join, that we have to take it from this ratio. Whatever the numerator is there, numerator here numerator is 3. So we will join this R3 with this Q. Now you will get one angle. Okay, Q R3 R. This is one angle. Now we are going to draw one angle on R4 which is similar to this angle. So how that also we will see. Keep your round point R. Take a proper distance and draw one arc. Draw one arc such that it intersect both the ray of the arms of the angle. Now by keeping the same distance, keep your round point R4 and draw one more arc. Now after drawing this arc, now see where this arc intersect these two sides. We have to take the distance between those 2 points. Okay, these 2 points where the arc is intersecting to the sides. So let me measure the distance. So this distance we have to take. Now just see, after taking those distance, this arc where it intersecting to this ray at this point, keep your rounder on that point and draw one small arc. Okay, now we are going to join this point of intersection of arc and R4. So now while joining, just see that this line that is QR3 and this line, they should be parallel to each other. They must be parallel to each other. Now after drawing this, you extend this side QR so such that it should intersect to this line. Okay, now again you are having here one angle, so we are going to draw one more angle similar to this angle at this point. Okay, so same method, we will keep our rounder on that point Q and we will draw one arc, and by keeping same distance we are going to draw one more arc here. Now again measure this distance where the arc is intersecting the points. Okay, so this distance I have taken between the 2 points. Okay, now keep your rounder on this point and cut the arc. Okay, now again you join this point of intersection and this point, and we are going to extend here side PR. Now while extending, take care that you have to extend it in a straight way as it is, don't bend the line. So now we are going to name these points. Now how we are going to name? R is the common point. Now here P is corresponds to L, so where P is there, that there we will write, we are going to write L. So this is point L, and where is Q? Q is corresponds to T, so this is your point T. So here we have got two triangles PQR and LTR. Now we'll write the measures here. Your QR is 5.4, PQ is 4.2 centimeter, and PR is 4.8 centimeter. So this is the required triangle.